with the TP of the support zone, which is somewhere around 1705. However, this scenario is not likely to be entertained as the market and the fundamentals are indicating a breakout upwards. Thus, if any fundamental news on improving economy or the relationship between US and China is being improved by any agreement or any tweet by Donald Trump, thus a sale position can be created some around here 1735 with the TP and SL as shown, but telling you again this is not an likely scenario to happen, and this trade will provide us with an risk to reward of 1:5. That's a great risk to reward. However, the TP can be placed at the mid of the channel if the market bounces off from here. As we can see, this is an support zone, as I will show you. We can see that the market has bounces of this support zone quite significantly, one here, another here and here. Thus the TP should be placed over here. This trade will provide us the risk to reward of 1:2. Now coming on in wedge reversal pattern, again drawing the resistance line. Wedge is in reversal pattern of from an bearish momentum converting to an bullish momentum. Here we can see an wedge pattern. What is a likely scenario is an breakout from here. However, we can see a test towards the support at the when the market opens and then a breakout. Wedge patterns indicates that the bearish momentum will soon be end and the bullish momentum will continue. Now coming on in economic data, on Thursday, May 28, we have GDP. It measures the annualized change in the value of all goods and services produced by the economy. The usual effect of the GDP is that if there is an actual number greater than the forecast, it's bad for gold. Now coming on why traders care about the GDP, as it is the broadest measure of the economic activities and the primary gauge of the economic health. Usual effect is that the forecast number for GDP is greater than minus 4.8, a buy or a long position can be created for gold. If, for example, minus 4.9 or minus 5.9 or more, and so vice versa, a sale position or a short position can be created. The forecast number for GDP is minus 4.8. A buy position or a long position can be created on gold if the numbers are less than the forecasted, which is minus 4.8, for example minus 4.9 or 5.9 or more, and so vice versa, a sale or a short position can be created if the number released are greater than the forecasted, which is minus 4.8, for example minus 3.9 or minus 2.9, and if the forecast and the release numbers are the same, so no trade should be taken, as it will not create volatility in the market. On Friday, May 29, we have Fed Chairman Powell speak. Usual effect is that less hawkish can expect a good for gold, which means if the speech given by the chairman supports the economy by providing finance or financial support to the economy, thus it would be an good for gold. However, increasing interest rates or restricting the money supply would be an bad for gold, and a sale position can be created. Why traders care about the Fed chairman Powell speak as he's the head of the central bank which controls the short-term interest rate. He has the more influence on the US dollar than any other person in the United States. Thus, trader watch his speech very closely as he often used to drop subtle clues regarding the future monetary policy. Now, going on the chart. In conclusion, we are bullish for gold as there are many technical and fundamental ideas supporting, such as descending channel breakout, wedge reversal pattern, and gold taking these testing the support zone, which all conclude that we are bullish for the gold. US China escalating and sinking Hong Kong and a rise in uncertainty would support the gold to change its bearish momentum which the gold is experiencing right now and towards the bullish momentum. Thus we are bullish for the gold, and the TP, the entry triggers and the stop loss are shown in the video. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing.